In this video, we're talking about all things related to YouTube video tags. We're going to talk about what exactly tags are, what role they play in YouTube SEO, and how using tags can help you get more views on YouTube. Hi guys, I'm Kristen Williams. My husband and I are full-time YouTubers, and this is the channel where I'm sharing all of our growth strategies for the now 6 YouTube channels we have. All right, to start this off, I want to give you a definition of tags that is straight from YouTube itself. YouTube says tags are descriptive keywords you can add to your video to help viewers find your content. Now, a point of clarification here is that tags and keywords are not necessarily the same thing. In the YouTube lingo, we consider tags the data that you put in the tag section, and keywords you can kind of think of as your biggest, strongest, most important tags. So you want to have 1 to 3 keywords per video, and these are the things that really define what your video is about, and they're the main things you want to communicate to the YouTube algorithm so the algorithm knows what your content is about. Now, keywords you're going to put in your title, your description, and in your tag section. And then tags, that section is your chance to just give the algorithm as much information as you can so that it knows exactly who to show your video to. So I've been hearing a lot of talk about whether or not video tags are even important to getting your videos seen on YouTube. The short answer to that question is yes, they are. Every aspect of your video is important. To explain this better, I want to go a little deeper into YouTube SEO and how the YouTube algorithm chooses videos to show viewers. Going straight to YouTube, the way YouTube says that its algorithm prioritizes videos for search results is based on 3 things: relevance, engagement, and quality. Let's take this from the back to the front. We'll start with quality. YouTube has systems in place to identify which videos and which channels are really experts for a given topic. So quality relates a lot to what you're putting in your videos. Not necessarily how they're filmed. You don't have to have the nicest camera, but what are you communicating? Are you presenting yourself as a leader in the topic you're talking about? The next one, engagement. Now, we hear a lot of talk about engagement when it comes to watch time and click-through rate. All this is very accurate. YouTube wants to give people videos that they're actually going to click on and enjoy. So from a creator's perspective, you need to be focusing on your thumbnails and your title to encourage people to click your videos, and then you want to have awesome content to encourage people to watch them for longer and enjoy them. Next up is relevance, and this is where tags come into play. So relevance is basically the YouTube algorithm trying to match up a search result to a video. Now, in trying to determine relevance, the algorithm looks at a lot of things: title, tags, description, all of the stuff related to your video. But tags are extremely important here. The tag section is your opportunity to tell YouTube exactly what your video is about. Now, I want to maybe retrain your brain a little bit, because a lot of the YouTube gurus talk about how to beat the algorithm to get more views on YouTube and how to crack the code, and I don't like thinking about it like that. When we're thinking about the YouTube algorithm that way, we're really setting ourselves up for a me versus YouTube mentality, and that's not going to get you anywhere in the long run. The way we need to think about the YouTube algorithm is as a two-way communication. When you upload a video, you provide a thumbnail and title and tags and a description and video content. You're providing tons of information to the YouTube algorithm. And after you upload that video and after people watch it, what does the algorithm provide you? It gives you analytics. It's telling you this is how long people watched your video. This is how many people clicked through. This is how many impressions you got. It's telling you all the information you need to better your YouTube channel, to better your content, and to grow faster and get more views on YouTube. The YouTube algorithm is a learning machine. It's constantly learning. The goal of the algorithm is to give a viewer the best possible video it can. Our job as creators is to tell the algorithm everything we possibly can about our video so it knows who to show that video to, which is why you need to fill in your tag section. Tags are an excellent opportunity for you to utilize YouTube SEO and tell the algorithm exactly what your video is about. Another thing that tags are really useful for is linking your videos to other similar videos. So it's not all about showing up in the search results when it comes to getting more views on YouTube. You also want to aim to show up in the suggested list of other videos that people are currently watching. If tags are still a little confusing, I recommend you subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be posting more videos about what types of tags to use, kind of the difference between long form tags and short tags, all of that stuff. So subscribe here. I also encourage you to go down in the video description. I have 2 resources that are awesome. One is a free Facebook group. It's an amazing group of YouTube content creators who are looking to grow their YouTube channels. I go live in there every Friday to answer your YouTube questions. The other one is a YouTube checklist. So it's the checklist that I use when I create videos. It'll walk you through all the things you need to remember, coming up with a video idea, editing it, uploading it, all the good stuff. And if you have any specific questions about tags, please leave a comment down below and let's continue this conversation there. I'm Kristen Williams. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.